So much to know, together we'll grow in the shade of peace.
Subhanallah, it's such a beautiful day today. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, the flowers are blooming, and my baby is home. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum, my love. How are you feeling today?
Wa alaikum assalam, Mama. I'm good, Alhamdulillah. But I'm very hungry.
Yes, of course. I will go now to look for some food. While I'm away, don't try to jump off the nest, okay? Just stay where you are. I will be back soon, inshallah.
Okay, Mama.
Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar.
Mom is gone. Who is going to save you now, little bird?
Oh no, it's the naughty crow. What should I do? Oh Allah, please save me. I'm not strong enough. You're the only one who can save me.
I'm so hungry. This will be fun.
Help! Somebody please help me.
Damn it. Why is the little girl interrupting my mealtime?
Shoo! Shoo! Go away! Alhamdulillah. I can't believe it. He's gone. Thank you, Allah, for saving me from that naughty crow. Mama, you're back.
How was your day, my love?
Mama, that naughty crow came again today. I was so scared and thought that I would die. But I made dua and Allah listened to me.
Oh no! I'm so sorry for not being here when that happened, my love. I'm so happy you're okay, Alhamdulillah.
Mama, do you know the little girl who lives in the house near us? She came and shooed the crow away.
What a nice little girl. I'm relieved you're okay, Alhamdulillah. You did a great job making the dua. Did you know that Allah accepts all du'as in one of three ways?
Subhanallah! Really?
Yes. The first one is when Allah accepts our dua and gives us what we asked for immediately. The second one is when the dua is stored and Allah rewards us for it in the afterlife. The third one is when the dua is used to ward off a harm that was going to come. So, you see, duas are never wasted. Even if they don't get answered immediately, we should always make dua.
Subhanallah.
Allah is Al-Mujib, the responsive one, the answerer of prayers. He is readily available to hear and answer the supplications of those who ask. So, whenever we need help during difficulties, we should call upon Al-Mujib.
Al-Mujib answered my dua and saved me today. If he didn't send that little girl to shoo the crow away at the right time, I would have been dead.
Alhamdulillah, my love. May Allah keep you under His protection at all times.
Ameen.